Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're doing well. So we start the next set of verses, a couple of verses. We'll go through the same process. I will recite them in Arabic, then I will do the translation of them, and then I'll do the Arabic reciting again, and you will become the masters of these two verses as well, inshallah, as indeed you have mastered the first 39 verses of Surah Al Baqarah. When you find that there is a gap in the supply of these clips, well, do revise and repeat what you've already done. And I'm sure that it's going to be a useful exercise. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا بني إسرائيل اذكروا نعمتي التي أنعمت عليكم وأوفوا بعهدي أوفي بعهدكم وإياي فارهبون. Did I forget to tell you that it is now verses 40 and 41? Never mind. Surah Al Baqarah verses 40 and 41. وَآمِنُوا بِمَا أَنزَلْتُ مُصَدِّقًا لِمَا مَعَكُمْ وَلَا تَكُونُوا أَوَّلَ كَافِرٍ بِهِ وَلَا تَشْتَرُوا بِآيَاتِي ثَمَنًا قَلِيلًا وَإِيَّايَ فَاتَّقُونَ. Sadaqallahu al-Azim. Okay, let's start the translation. A'udhu, I seek refuge. I seek refuge, billahi, in Allah the God, minash shaitan, from the evil of Satan, ar-Rajim, the rejected one. Bismillah, I begin in the name of Allah, ar-Rahman, whose mercy is profound, ar-Rahim, whose kindness is forever. Ya Bani Israel. Ya, O. When you call somebody, O you. So it's the same in Arabic. O, Ya. Bani Israel. Ibn is son. The plural of it is Banoon, many sons. For some grammatical reasons, sometimes the last noon is removed, so it becomes Banu. And for some other reasons, that Banu or Banoon becomes Baneen. Obviously, we're not doing the grammar of it, but just understand that it's absolutely the same. Banuna, Banina, Banu, Bani, it's the same. Really means sons. Israel is the other name of the prophet Jacob, Yaqub alayhi salam. So, Ibrahim alayhi salam had two famous sons, Ishmael, and Ishaq, Isaac alayhi salam. Ishaq alayhi salam's son was Yaqub, Jacob, whose other name was Israel. So, God is addressing the children of Israel, the children of Jacob. There were 12 sons that Yaqub alayhi salam had, and then they multiplied into a mighty nations of a very large population, very large numbers. So the Almighty is addressing them. Ya Bani Israel, O children of Israel. And by the way, they are the ones who are the Jews, Israel, that country, as well as the Jews are there in different parts of the world. It's said that they're probably 20 million plus as far as their population is concerned. They were the ones who were the chosen people for the sake of delivering God's message to the rest of the mankind until such time that the last prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, peace be upon him, came. So the Almighty wanted these people, the Jews, the children of Israel, to believe in the last prophet as well. He had already informed them in their history that another prophet would come and they will have to believe in him. So that's what he is saying. Ya Bani Israel, O children of Israel, Uzkuru, recall. Well, you might say, why are you saying Uzkuru? Okay, if I would have said Ya Bani Israel Azkuru. But if you don't say like that and you have to start again from after Bani Israel, you will say Uzkuru. Again, a grammatical reason. Uzkuru ni'mati. Uzkuru, recall. Zikr is reminder. Uzkuru, recall. Ni'mati, my blessing. Ni'mati, my blessing. Ni'mat is blessing. Allati, that which is the same as allazina. It's the singular feminine form. You know, when you say one and you say it for, let's say, ladies or something that is female, feminine, then you will say allati. Ni'mati allati, my blessing which an'amtu, I blessed, alaykum, upon you. I blessed you with. Wa'awfu, and fulfill. You know, you've heard wafa, awfu, it's from the same root. Wa'awfu, and fulfill. What? Bi'ahdi, my covenant. Covenant, promise, contract. Awfu bi'ahdi, and fulfill my covenant. Ufi, I will fulfill bi'ahdikum, your covenant, your promise. That is, you fulfill that part of the promise which you have to do for me, and I will fulfill, complete that part of the promise which I have to do for you. Your promise to me was that you will believe in the next prophet. My promise to you was that in that case, I will make you continue to succeed in this life and the next life. Wa iyaya, and only me. Wa iyaya, and only me. Remember this iya? Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'in. Iyaka na'budu, only you we are going to worship. Wa iyaya, and only me. Where is me? Ya. The last ya. Wa iyaya, and only me. Farhabun, therefore you fear. So you fear. The zair at the end of noon is again for me. Farhabun, fear me. It was actually farhabuni. Wa'aminu, and believe. Bima anzaltu. Aminu, believe. Bima, in what anzaltu, I have revealed. Musaddiqan, confirming. Lima, that which. Ma'akum, is with you. Wala takunu, and do not become. Awwala kafirin, the first rejecting one. Kafir, the one who rejects. Awwala kafirin, the first who rejects. Bihi, it. It means this message, the new message that I have sent through my last prophet. Wala tashtaru, and don't sell, don't trade. Biayati, my verses. Thamanan, for a price. Qalilan, very small. That is, if you are going to compromise on the promise that you've made to me for a very ordinary worldly reason, it is as if you are selling my verses for a very small price. Wa iyaya, and me alone. Fattaqun, therefore you fear. Farhabun and fattaqun mean almost the same thing. Okay, once again, you say it's difficult, I say it's not. The second time you realize that you're understanding everything that we've done. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Ya Bani Israel, O children of Israel. Uskuru, recall, remember, recall. Ni'mati, my blessing. Allati, that which. An'amtu, I blessed. Alaykum, upon you. Waufu, and fulfill. Bi'ahdi, my part of the promise. Ufi, I will fulfill. Bi'ahdikum, your part of the promise. Wa iyaya, and me alone, only me, farhabun, therefore, so you fear. You fear only me. Wa aminu, and believe. Bima, in what. Anzaltu, I revealed. Tu, I. Anzaltu, I revealed. Musaddiqan, confirming. That is, what I have revealed is confirming. Lima, that which. Ma'akum, you have. That is, this message is confirming what you already have. Wala takunu, and do not become. Awwala, the very first. Kafirin, the one who has rejected bihi, it. Awwala kafirin bi, the very first who has rejected it. Wala tashtaru, and don't sell, don't trade. Bi ayati, my verses. Thamanan qalila, for a very small ordinary price. Wa iyaya, and me alone. Fattaqun, so you fear. Now when I'll recite it, you will understand each and every word of it, inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. يا بني إسرائيل اذكروا نعمتي التي أنعمت عليكم وأوفوا بعهدي أوفي بعهدكم وإياي فارهبون وآمنوا بما أنزلت مصدقا لما معكم ولا تكونوا أول كافر به ولا تشتروا بآياتي ثمنا قليلا وإياي فاتقون. صدق الله العظيم. I hope you understood it. I hope you're enjoying it. And I hope you will join me again, inshallah, in our next class, next episode, next clip, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.